Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today by Jeffrey Post, and it's number 39. This is the bidding on it. Jeffrey, I really like this lock, and I really hate it because it cost me, buddy. I'll explain that in a little bit, but let's see if we can get into it, and then I'll explain what I got. Anyway, needless to say, I'm going to be using a pick I just made yesterday. Don't expect a lot. I didn't do a lot, but I want to try this one to copy the one I've been picking with that I've picked a lot of locks with. But it's out of a feeler gauge. The other one was out of some stock that Steel Penning sent me, and I wanted to see how this would do. And so we're gonna get after picking on this thing. And see what we can get. But this has this like a regular Jeffrey Post lock. It has a lot of clicks, and they stiffen up on you. And if you push them too hard, then sometimes they'll break free and take off on you. I just lost a bunch there, but that's okay. Oh, wonderful. Now he finds something to bark at. Now I just dropped into a big false set there. Oh, would you please, son? Oh, and there it is. Okay. Let's get it out of there. Now, the reason I was upset with Jeffrey about this lot is I was picking on it earlier, and I thought I had overset one really badly because it just went to the moon on me. Well, no, it didn't. I lost another member of the pick club. So that thing had done me well. I'd picked a lot of locks. So it had done its service, but doggone it. Get on the thing. There we go. But yeah, things happen, and we just try to carry on, even though the tears fall for a while. Memorial services, I'll have that later for it. It served me so well. Nice. Okay. Oops. Let's go a little bit more that way. So we're like in between these things. There we go. And give her a shove out. And you can see everything's in there. Let's run the key in. Ooh, it wants to hang up just running the key in. Look at that. Oh man. They're all in there, guys, but it just wants to stick as it tries to go in. I don't want to pop them all out all over the place. Wow, I may not be able to get them out. I get the key out. Okay, you gonna be like that? Fine. There's one. If I can pick it up, jeez. Man. 2. Now can I get the key? I got the key out that time. 3. Wow. No wonder. There we go. Wow. And what do we got here? We got threading in all of them. Surprise, surprise. Okay, there you are. Oh. Clippy dealios. Here, I'll give it some extra light. Find that helps a lot more when you're doing these. Okay. You guys saw that. It looked like it came out. Oh, get a hold of it. Look. You. Give me the dang thing. Look like it came out like that. I'll have to look back at it, but I'm sure that's the way that came out. That looks like just a standard. Did you grab the thing? It's standard, it doesn't matter which way it's upside down or not. Yeah, that one looks like it came up just like that. Come on, turn around. There you go. Right across. Going through the back. No, not like that, like that. And there's your spring. That looks like another standard. It is. I'll look and see if it rounded off or not, but yeah. Man, I don't see anything. Looks all standard in the top. So this is Jeffrey Post number 39. You got a, let's see, you got a spool bottom, double spool top, a spool with a little notch down, and you got a upside down T-pin. You got another spool in the bottom and a standard spool in the bottom and an upside down T-pin. Triple spool or quadruple spool is standard, and a spool with a couple of double, triple spool kind of step downs and an upside down T-pin. And that's what we got. And there are your springs. They all look pretty much the same except this one on the end. There's some differences, but that's what we got for Jeffrey Post lock. Thanks, Jeffrey, for putting it out there. Thank you all for watching. Stay legal. Have fun. Thanks everybody. Bye. Small little supplemental on this one. Here's what the key in. As you can see, this number 4 has got a reduced top to it, and I'm gonna have to put this back together with the key in it, because look at it trying to get the key out. It just jams up. It just jams these pins up badly, so I'm gonna have to stick it back together like this. So just thought I'd show you how well those things grip when they do. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody.